Alright, we're back with some more 2012 Press Pass Total Memorabilia. This is the last box out of the 6 that we had. It's been good so far. Still waiting for that book card. You know, might be in this one, might not. Be alright though. We've already pulled 2 of those. But they sure are nice. Personally, I like the quads myself.
Yep. Or jumbo.
Oh yeah. Quads or the jumbos have got to be my favorite. But we'll see what we got here. I'll be itching again to get another box of these once this one's gone. Pull back 3. Junior, Memory Lane, Ty Dillon, Rising Stars, J.D. Gibbs, Gold, Steve Letarte, Brian Vickers, Chip Ganassi, Matt Kenseth, Ricky, and our hit going to be 44 of 50, and it is Tony Stewart. 50 could be a jumbo. Let's see. Ooh, or a nice little triple. Some blue sheet metal. What the hell is that?
One, maybe.
I'd have to look at the car, but there can't be much blue on his car.
No.
So that's a nice little piece there. Playing on a Tony Stewart.
I think it's probably from Mobile One.
I would think so. Man, not much blue on there though. Alright. I see a Menard on the back. Alright. Tony Stewart, Memory Lane. Amber Cope, Holnar Gold. First one of those golds I've pulled of him. Biffle, Hamlin, Addington, and Casey Kane, the Red Bull, Martin, Rising Star. It's got some red behind it, so
Might have been a Cope.
oh, it's gonna be a blue. So I think we got low numbers. 17 of 25 on this one. This might be the Ty Dillon. No. Oh, yep,
nice.
Ty Dillon.
Ty Dillon.
Nice. Ty Dillon, 17 of 25. Down there. That's a nice one. So now what we lack. Angela Cope's the only Rising Star I think we're looking for. Alright. Most of these are eventually going to be for seller trade, just to let you all know. Most of the Casey Kanes will be mine though. Or Brad Keselowski, but I haven't seen much Brad. Alright. Michael Waltrip, Memory Lane, Angela Cope, Joey Logano Gold, Juan Pablo Montoya, Jamie McMurray, Jeff Gordon, Earnhardt, Cat and Hat, and our hit. It's going to be a 17 of 50. Another possible jumbo, maybe. Let's see. Jimmy Johnson. Oh. Oh.
Nice.
Very nice jumbo of Jimmy Johnson. I mean, that's basically an entire patch off of his fire suit. You know, half of his patch. That's nice. What patch does that look like it is?
It's the manufacturer, SFI.
Huh. Nice. I love those jumbo cards. Very nice. Alright, so, good box so far. Very good box so far. Wouldn't think they'd throw any crap cards in here now. Alright, ooh, we're gonna have a Danica Gold on the back. Possible holofoil. It's a holofoil. Matt Kenseth, Memory Lane. Angela Cope. Danica Patrick. Holofoil numbered out of 99. That's going to be a good one. Chad Knaus. Carl Edwards in the new paint scheme. Michael Waltrip. Richard Childress. Oh, that's a short print Tony? I don't think I've seen that one. Short print Tony Stewart. Nice. And looks like a tandem here. Shirt. Kyle Busch. JD Gibbs. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, we had a Kyle Busch Joe Gibbs. So that's good. They're changing them up a little bit. It's a nice one. Nice piece of tire. This is the first short print Tony we've gotten. That's a nice one. Who did they short print on those? Casey, Danica, Tony, and is there junior short print on those? Mountain Dews,
probably. But it's in a new paint scheme.
Like Kyle Busch, that one we pulled earlier.
Yeah, Kyle Busch.
Alright, this is the last box. Hope for a good one here. Don't see a book, that's okay. Old sad Pablo Montoya again in his little pedal car. Jack Rouse Jr. Ryan Newman Gold. Joe Nemechek. Bobby Labonte. Clint Boyer. Rick Hendrick. Casey Mears. And our hit. Going to be a 16 of 99. Well, since it's number 16, this will be about the only time I'd ever want a biffle. We'll see. I doubt it. Jamie McMurray. Jamie McMurray dual. Fire suit and glove. So, not too bad. Pretty good box there. Very happy with the Jimmy Johnson patch. Ty Dillon of 25 and the Stewart. I mean, they're all pretty nice. So. Yet again, impressed with the Press Pass Total Memorabilia. Appreciate you all watching. If you're interested in NASCAR autographs, be sure and check out our website, autographdiecast.com. And don't forget, go see our friends over at Infowars.com. I promise you won't be sorry that you did. Take it easy, and we'll be seeing you again with another box break.